today we are going to make another video.
Since we miss you guys, we're gonna make a video since
Our
our school stopped because of a virus called
The
coronavirus. If you know this kind of virus,
Please make sure you have a mask, alcohol, and
washing
indoors.
hands.
Yeah,
Stay
and stay
indoor and
indoors.
washing hands.
Make sure you have a stock of supply. Make sure that. There's no cure for this yet, right? Well, since we have to stay inside, we found the time to make a video!
Finally, I've been looking for all these years.
Well, let's start!
It's opening time! So the thingy that we're gonna do today is nail polish! Nail polish right here!
Let's show the back. Show the back. Let's open it. Here you go.
Where's the side? Okay, the contents are contents are one glitter packet, one nail polish base,
Where's the base? Here, one nail polish base.
3 empty nail polish bottles,
They're right here. One. Oh, they have different shapes. At least 2 different kind of shapes.
and 3 bottles of colored dye,
These ones. I like the purple.
1 funnel, 1 spatula, 1 nail
Why are you so
file,
fast?
and
What's a nail file? Is this it? Oh yeah, this is it. What is this?
no, it's to keep your nails like that, and
Can
then,
you-
know.
Oh. Let's organize this.
And
then-
measuring cup.
Okay, let's start. So we will need to pour the 7.5 ml of nail polish base into the measuring cup. Come on. You first.
Here.
Just 7.5.
Ooh, it's easy to open.
Here, this one. Oh.
How do we do this?
Wait, slowly. Wait a minute. This gelatin?
No.
Use a spatula. Goodness.
Why is it so cute?
7.5 only. So the second line. Slowly.
Here it comes. You do it this time. You do it. I don't know how to do this.
Might
so.
put it in YouTube.
I'm bad at pouring stuff, but I'm good at dyeing. See, I'm good at dyeing. Sorry,
This is silk.
it's goo.
And this
And I don't want to put goo at my...
Let's check.
Wait, I think it's goo, and then we're gonna put water with food coloring in it.
Don't spoil it yet. Yeah, that's enough. I think that's enough.
Are you sure?
It's
Let
close.
me see. Where is
It's
it?
in 7.5.
Oh, great. Great.
That's like half.
Great. Okay, great. Read.
Let's
Read.
read. Let's put it back. Next thing. Add your chosen bottle of dye coloring and stir with the spatula.
Okay.
This one. Then stir with the spatula, it says.
Okay. I
So
knew you
you're
were
going to
gonna
use the food
die.
dye. You're going to. I'm gonna mix. Yeah, you.
No, I mix. How many scoops?
Let's see. Oh, it depends how dark you want it to be.
1,
You squeeze hard.
2,
Yeah.
chisel.
It doesn't really show, so you can do as much as you want.
Okay.
That looks like nothing. Yeah, it looks like
I
nothing.
gotta put a lot.
Sprinkle glitter into the mixture.
I know what to do.
Wait. Handy dandy
Shake. Okay, let's do
dandy
it.
scissors. Let's do a teeny hole. Teeny hole, very teeny. Okay, there you go.
That's good.
Not too much because you need some for the others. Next, it says
See
Place
that?
the
Looks like
funnel into
slime.
one of the empty nail polish bottles. Get one.
This one.
Put the funnel.
Okay, wait. Put it in here. It's stuck. And okay,
Place them all the
hold
way
it,
till
hold it,
all the way
hold
till it
it.
fits. I'll just hold it like this.
Okay.
Let's continue with the others.
Why these containers are so cute? Stop! Oh, goodness. What are you doing, girl?
I'm doing mine.
Where's your container?
This isn't very clear.
Oh, it's a heart. I see. I like the flower because, you know what this thing is? You do this. There's something on it. Okay, you know what this is? You do this. You do this on it. And you know what
Okay,
this is? You do this. How do you do this? Okay, you do this. You do this while doing this. See? See, this makes sense. See? This makes sense.
That much bigger.
Save some for the green one.
I did. For the purple, I like. Oh. So, you want to see what it looks like, guys?
This is hers. Look. Since you know,
Mine's a dark color.
when I do this green one,
It's going to be dark also. You
Like
can make it
hers.
here because this is it's a lot.
you know,
You can do that.
I can't
Go
make
do it there. Just do it there.
There?
Yeah,
All of it?
that's all yours.
Okay.
It's yours.
So
Okay,
when it's when it's done, I'll just
I'm going to try my best and not use.
for the nail.
Say I won't use this again.
I won't use this, because this is for the nail polish, I'll just use this. Since Ad is doing that, Claire's doing that, my sister, I'm just gonna do my nail file already. Since I'm the one who's gonna test all the nail polish.
It's hard. I'm getting sweaty.
I'm gonna put the purple now. Are you sure? Wait.
Just use it.
Okay. The cover's kind of sticky because, Okay, let's put some
I'm doing
purple in there.
all the hard work. Okay, how did that get in there?
Okay, I'll put it at this one. Let's put more.
Thing.
Okay. That looks like nothing, so that means that let's put some more. How come it's so dark there while it's so light here?
I have no clue.
So, I have an idea for the purple one and all of the colors. So when you put it here, put it on your nails, and then you rub it a little bit. When you rub it a little bit, it kind of shows a little, see? When you rub it a little bit.
Well, I think that the colors are nice. The darker color you have, the more color you'll have. And it doesn't really show. While we are in a community quarantine, be safe and stay indoors. And let's follow the government. Anyway, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you did, squish that like button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Be safe because of the coronavirus.
There's no medicine for it.
Hey!
Again.
Okay. You forgot